bruit pour Aëlmight
Ah
et
ouais,
Stan,
bah
s'il
ouais,
vous
the
plaît.
structure of Stan is really
C'était la
powerful.
finale de
When it's
l'événement
better in the
Lyrebird.
structure, Aël has a good flow, but maybe it's not enough. And I
take the win.
think the winner is Stan.
Yeah, finally.
Ouais, it's crazy with Stan that he do another sound, a sound that he'd never do before.
Yeah. That was
It's crazy. Like in the last round, they show a new sound, and when you do something different for all the tournament, in the second round of the final, you can take it, and he has a good technique, so he answered to Aël. So the answer is okay. I mean, they are both a good techniques.
Yeah.
Aël is maybe more flow. Okay, that's the power of Aël.
Yeah.
But it's not enough to win, I think.
The criteria is not more important than the how would you say the attitude of Stan and the execution. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the structure of Stan and
the second round is like a prepared run, 100%.
Ouais.
The first one also,
we feel it.
Yeah.
Ouais, we feel it is more prepared, and it also answered to Aël for the technique. So, and he had a new sound that he never do before.
Yeah.
But yeah, he win. For me, it's Stan. But it's really close, and I will tell you that Aël inspire me more. Maybe because I love techniques, Aël inspire me more than Stan.
Okay.
Maybe because he has a flow and he shows something with the technique that I really like it. Well, I just want to say that.
Yeah.
So for me, for Alem, Aël inspire me more than Stan, but for the final of this tournament, I will.
Yeah,
if
you
not
were a
enough,
judge, you will vote for Stan.
Yeah.
Because of his preparation, right?
Yeah.
And it's what we talk about, like before you told like let's see if Aël is going to go 100% freestyle until the final, and how he will go. What will be the results? And we can see like here with 2 freestyles, it's the limit. Like
the limit in the final. I told you.
Yeah, because for
time.
For
but
me,
sometimes he did around. He has a high D's.
The second round against Bronix was the only one prepared, I think.
Maybe.
So he won against Bronix, but here in this final, we can see like on the first round, for me, he's a little bit. It's a little bit less good than Stan, because there are like many ideas and it lacks like a little bit of structure, just to enjoy more. And the second round, he has a better round, better execution, nice flow, and so it was more tough, I would say, with Stan. But because of the first round, he lost this battle for me. So yeah, I think you agree with me, and I wrote like maybe for Aël, he lacks like a final trick, like a final wow effect, just to make people enjoy and say like he still has something to show. That's my opinion, I would say. So what would you recommend for let's start with Stan, like just to be sure to win more battles against like beatboxers, like going crazy like this,
the first battle you need to do something more crazy, because at the first battle I don't vote for Stan. So it's interesting that he
could have lost at the first one.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
So you need to do something more even if it's the first battle, you need to prove to the jury. It's good when the judge vote for you, because if the judge not vote for you after, it's gonna be complicated, you know? Not for this example of tournament, but some battles, if the judge don't vote for you and you go after in the semi-final, it's gonna be complicated. So it's always good to have 5-0.
At the
I
first
mean, or
one?
3-0.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the jury. Yeah.
A good thoughts, like good impressions, good feelings. Okay.
Yeah, really important.
Okay. Yeah.
And
so you will recommend to go very hard with the first battle, like go with your best round.
Yeah. And yeah, work more on variety of sounds.
Yeah,
and,
diversify your sounds. Yeah.
Yeah, for Stan. Yeah, and Aël to prepare more or not. Depends what he want to do. Strategy, freestyle, new rounds.
Yeah.
I don't know this way because I'm not a freestyler on stage. But
what do you think about this approach, like doing like freestyle, but structured freestyle? For me, like it's structured freestyle because you can see when he answers to Brownix before, it's only there is always an intro, a drop one.
Well, I like this. Yeah, I recommend that for to work on this way.
Yeah, by blocks. Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, that was very interesting.
Nice, really nice tournament. Good. So the winner is Stan.
The winner is Stan. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was new tough. Sound at the last round.
I agree. And just for the history, on the night we did the 7 to Smoke and they battle against each other, and Aël won the 7 to Smoke.
7 to Smoke. More freestyle, maybe like Alexinho.
Yeah. That's what you were talking about. It's more for freestylers like Aël and Alex, I would say. So it's interesting to see. But
super nice.
All right. Thank you very much, Alem, for this for your time. Very nice advices. I hope everybody liked it. Let us know if you like this format and if you would like us to do more. I think it's good to have like a point of view of a pro beatboxer like Alem. So feel free to support him and us in the social medias, and let us know in the comments if you agree or not on this battle feedbacks. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.